Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change axis name in Excel chart. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet with chart. Now I change axis name in this chart. At first, I have to insert axis name or axis title. Select this chart, then go to chart design. Now you can see here I add chart element. Click this drop down menu and you can see here are axis title. Now I choose primary vertical. Now you can see I insert axis title. Now I change this axis name. Double click on this axis title and write your name. Now click behind this text box. Now you can see I change axis name in Excel chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for